Hello, good morning. I am Dr. E. Srinivasa, working as an assistant professor of physics in IDSG Government College, Chikmagalur. In this video, I am going to solve some problems in a chapter nuclear physics, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, which is a chapter for 3rd BSc physics students studying in 6th sem for paper 8. Nuclear and particle physics, subject code SSF 611, and this is the video for session number 32. So let us discuss the problems one by one. The first problem: calculate the power of nuclear reactor which consumes 10 kg of uranium 235 per day, given that the average energy released per fission is 200 MeV. So given average energy released per fission of uranium 235 is 200 MeV. Let us convert this into joule by multiplying 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So 200 MeV is equal to 200 into 10 power 6 is there here into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Then after simplification you will get 32 into 10 power minus 12 joule. By the use of Avogadro hypothesis, we can calculate the number of atoms in 10 kg of uranium 235 as number of atoms in 235 kg of uranium 235 is equal to Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 26. If it is in gram, it is 10 power 23. If it is in kg, it is 10 power 26. Then number of atoms in 10 kg of uranium 235 is equal to 10 into 6.023 into 10 power 26 divided by 235. After simplification, we get the number of atoms in 10 kg of uranium 235 is equal to 0.256 into 10 power 26. From this, we can calculate the output power from the nuclear reactor. That is equal to number of atoms undergoing fission into energy released per fission. So this is 0.256 into 10 power 26 into 32 into 10 power minus 2 joule. So after multiplication we get 0.8204 into 10 power 15 joule per day. We have to convert this joule per day into joule per second by dividing 24 into 60 into 60, that is 1 day is equal to 24 hours into 60 into 60, 60 minutes into 60 seconds gives 3600 seconds. After dividing, we get 9495 into 10 power 6 watt or 9495 megawatt or million watt is the output power from the reactor. The second problem is that the power obtained in a nuclear fission reactor is 2 into 10 power 9 watt. The average energy released per fission of uranium 235 is 200 MeV. Find the number of fission per second in the reactor core. What is the rate of decay of the mass of the fuel per hour? You have to calculate mass of the fuel required for 1 hour. Given energy released per fission is of uranium 235 is 200 million electron volts. So energy required is 2 into 10 power 9 joule per second. That is energy per second is 2 into 10 power 9 joule. Energy released per fission is 200 into 10 power 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, that is equal to 32 into 10 power minus 12 joule per second. The number of fission per second is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 9 divided by this 32 into 10 power minus 12 gives rise to 6.25 into 10 power 19. So number of fission per second is equal to 6.25 into 10 power 19. Therefore, number of fission per hour. In 1 hour there is a 60 minutes and 60 seconds into 6.25 into 10 power 19 gives rise to 2.25 into 10 to the power of 23 per hour. Per hour is this much. Mass of 2.25 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms is equal to 235 into 2.25 into 10 power 23 over Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 26 gives rise to 99.5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. So this is the mass of the fuel required per hour in this reactor. The next problem is a nuclear reactor consumes 4 kg of uranium-235 per day. The energy released per fission is 200 MeV. What is the power output? Again, energy produced per fission is 32 into 10 power minus 12 joule. So, number of atoms in 4 kg of uranium-235 per day is equal to 4 into 6.023 into 10 power 26 into 32 into 10 power minus 12 over 235 gives 3.25 into 10 power 14 joule per day. The power output is equal to 3.25 into 10 power 14 per day, 24 hours into 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Then the output power is equal to 3807 megawatts. The problem number 3. The fission properties of 94 plutonium-239, this is plutonium-239, are very similar to those of 92 uranium-235. The average energy released per fission is 180 MeV. How much energy in MeV is released by all the atoms in 1 kg of pure 94 plutonium? U is there, plutonium-239 undergo fission. Solution. Number of atoms in 1 kg of 94 plutonium-239 is equal to Avogadro number over 239 gives rise to 2.52 into 10 to the power of 24. Energy released per fission is 180 MeV. 180 into 10 power 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is equal to 28.8 into 10 power minus 12 joule. So total energy released for 1 kg is number of atoms in 1 kg into energy released per fission, that is 2.52 into 10 power 24 into 28.8 into 10 power minus 12, that is equal to 72.576 into 10 power 12 joule. So the final answer is energy released by all the atoms in 1 kg of pure 94 plutonium-239 undergo fission is 72.576 into 10 power 12 joule. We can convert this value into electron volt by dividing it by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Then we can get the answer in MeV. Fifth problem. A nuclear reactor using 92 uranium-235 is to operate at a power level of 250 megawatts if the average energy released per fission of uranium-235 is 200 MeV. Calculate the consumption of 92 uranium-235 per year, assuming that there are no losses and that the masses of atoms is equal to the sum of masses of nucleons, where each nucleon has a mass equal to 1 AMU. So, nuclear reactor using 92 uranium-235 is to operate at a power level of 250 megawatts. And also energy released per fission is given 200 MeV. So, 200 into 10 power 6 eV into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 gives 32 into 10 power minus 12 joule. we have to calculate the consumption of 92 uranium-235 per day. That is mass of 92 uranium-235 consumed in a nuclear reactor per year, we should calculate here. Rate of development of energy by the reactor P is equal to 250 megawatt. That is 250 into 10 power 6 joule per second. The number of atoms undergoing fission per second is then given by 250 into 10 power 6 joule per second over 32 into 10 power minus 12 gives rise to 7.1825 into 10 power 18 atoms undergoing fission per second. Therefore, the number of atoms undergoing fission in 1 year can be calculated by multiplying these number of atoms by 365 into 24 hours. This is the 365 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes and 60 seconds gives rise to 3600. After multiplication, we get 2.463 into 10 power 26 atoms. That means the number of atoms undergoing fission in 1 year is equal to 2.463 into 10 power 26 atoms. So again, using the Avogadro number concept, mass of 6.023 into 10 power 26 atoms of uranium-235 is equal to 235 kg. Mass of 2.463 into 10 power 26 atoms of uranium-235 is equal to, so multiplying this number, that is 2.463 into 10 power 26 into 235 divided by Avogadro number, get 96.1 kg. That means the mass of atoms, that is here the consumption of 92 uranium-235 per year is equal to 96.1 kg. The next problem, number is 6. A reactor operates 20 megawatt of power using 1.2 kg of uranium-235 as fuel in 500 hours. Find the efficiency of the reactor given the average energy released per fission of uranium-235 is 200 MeV. Given that output power is equal to 20 megawatt. Here 20 megawatt. Energy released per fission is also given, that is 200 MeV. So that is equal to 32 into 10 power minus 12 joule. And also number of atoms in 235 kg of uranium-235 is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 26. Therefore, number of atoms present in 1.2 kg of uranium-235 is equal to 1.2 into Avogadro number divided by 235 gives rise to 3.0755 into 10 to the power of 24. Therefore, the number of fission produced per second is equal to 3.0755 into 10 to the power of 24 for divided by, for 500 hours we have to calculate, divided by 500 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds, it gives 1.7 into 10 power 18 fission per second. We have to calculate the efficiency of the reactor. Therefore, energy released per second or power. So, energy by time gives rise to power. P is equal to E by T. That is equal to 1.7 into 10 power 18 into 32 into 10 power minus 12 is equal to 54.4 into 10 power 6 watt or 54.4 megawatt. That means this is the output power. So, input power. So, input power is equal to 54.4 megawatt and the output power is given 20 megawatt. Therefore, efficiency can be calculated as ratio of output power to the input power. So, output power is 20 megawatt and the input power is 54.4 megawatt. So, it gives rise to 0.36 into 367 multiplying with 100 gives the efficiency in the percentage, that is equal to 36.76%. That means efficiency of the nuclear reactor is only 36.76%. Next one, determine the energy in joules released in the following reaction. So 1H2 plus 1H2 gives rise to 2H3 plus neutron. Given the following nucleates masses as mass of each deuteron is equal to 2.015 atomic mass unit, mass of helium-3 is 3.017 atomic mass unit, and the mass of the neutron is 1.009 atomic mass unit. So to calculate the energy in joules, you have to determine the mass defect. So mass defect is equal to total mass of the products minus total mass of the reactants. The total mass of the products is mass of the neutron plus mass of the helium-3 nucleus, that is 1.009 plus 3.017, minus mass of the reactants, that is mass of the two deuterons, minus 2 into mass of each deuteron, that is 2.015 atomic mass unit. After simplification, we get the mass defect minus 0.004 atomic mass unit. By multiplying this mass defect with 931.5 MeV, we get the energy E is equal to 3.73 mega electron volt. So energy released in joules we have to calculate